This is a Chinese iPod, um, one of those knockoffs that was popular in like 2007. Um, I don't have any real reason for doing any sort of mods to this, um, but I just felt like it, so here's my video talking about it. Um, this was originally pink, like a hot pink, and you can still kind of see the pinkness right here, and some gold too. Uh, it was not cast with pink plastic, it was just painted pink in the factory. So I originally tried to spray paint it with gold spray paint, and it didn't work. It just kept running off. Like, I took the top piece off. I didn't obviously spray paint the whole thing, but um, yeah, it didn't work. So I used sandpaper and Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and I knew that it would give me this like rough finish, but like it's not that bad. You can only really notice it in comparison to the scroll wheel, which of course is not a scroll wheel. Does not physically scroll, does not touch sensitively scroll. Um, it doesn't actually fit in the case properly anymore because when I took it apart, um, I don't know what I did, but it didn't go back together again. There's only 4 screws on the entire unit, and there's one of them right there if it'll focus. Yeah. Um, and the power switch is supposed to go right here. Can't get my camera to focus. There we go. But the switch actually got stuck when I spray painted it. So I had to, like, it just became brittle. So I just, like, broke it into pieces and, like, yammed it out. The actual physical switch itself is more towards the bottom. So if I want to turn it on, I have to pry the 2 plastic pieces apart and use, like, a razor to, and turn it on. It's dead right now, though. So, and yeah, the top is just separating because why wouldn't it? Everything is screwed in properly on the inside and outside. A single screw, and the other thing's a microphone. I don't know why there's a microphone because the quality on it is crap. iPods didn't have them. But yeah, I just kind of felt like making this update video to something that I'm not going to make a series. Honestly, I just haven't uploaded in forever and kind of wanted to upload.